How to delete Google search history. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can delete your Google search history. So let me show you how your Google search history looks like. So if I tap onto this Google icon right here, you can see all of my sample video history or all of the history that I have already searched for. Now in order to remove all of these, what one can do is simply tap onto a particular result and then one can delete it with this toggle. This says delete this search from your history. So you can simply delete it and this particular search result will be deleted. But let's say you want to delete all of the search results, then in order to do that, you will need to click onto this manage history button at the bottom. Now once you have successfully clicked onto this manage history button, it will lead you to this Google search history page. Now in this page you have this option of delete. So if you'll delete this by clicking onto this delete button, it will give you an option like delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So in order to remove all of the history, you can simply click onto this delete all time option and then click onto this next option and then click delete again. Now as you can see, this says deletion completed. You can click onto this got it button, and then if you will try to move back, you can see that the search history still exists here, but it will be successfully removed from your other devices or from the Google server. So this is locally stored search history which you will need to remove by tapping onto this delete option. And now you can see once the Google page successfully refreshes, all of the history has been successfully removed. So this is a great way to remove all of the search history with just a single tap. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.